These are the Cypress trees we'll get the logs from. Fair few to go there. So they're decent trees. Right. Yep, so that's pretty good. Big job. All the beds have to be lowered. Still 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 to go. There aren't poles yet, so at least they're not too high. Not like those trees. Those trees are about 20 metres, 30 metres lower, and they're higher. There you go, and those ones over beyond there are bigger. Look at that one up there. See that tower up there? Can you see that tower? Don't know if it'll pick it up. There's another tower over there, but it's going to be a bit hard to pick up. I think it's behind that tree. Yep. Or it's in the mist, one of the two. Now that tower's disappeared as well.